In this video, you'll learn how to use Notion's conditional formatting to enhance your databases. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped to create visually distinct entries based on specific criteria. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, since loading the site may vary based on your speed. Once the page loads, sign into your account if prompted. Next, locate and click on the option to add a new page. This is typically found in the left sidebar. After selecting this option, a blank page will appear, providing you with a fresh workspace. Now click on the blank space to initiate the content creation process. At this point, you will be able to input specific commands that Notion recognizes. Type in the command /database. This action will prompt Notion to display a list of database options. After you see the list, you will be ready for the next selection. From the options displayed, click on Database Inline. This selection will create an inline database that integrates seamlessly with your current page layout. Following this, click on Tasks Tracker or the relevant database name you wish to modify. This step will open the selected database where you can apply conditional formatting. Once inside the database, find and click on the Get Started button. This will typically appear as a prompt within the database interface, guiding you to set up your database effectively. Afterward, click on the Done button to finalize the initial setup. This confirmation will indicate that your database is now ready for further customization. Now click on the scroll bar to navigate through your database settings. This will allow you to access various features that enhance your database's functionality. Next, click on Settings within the database options. This section will allow you to adjust the configurations necessary for applying conditional formatting. Once in the settings menu, find and click on Conditional Color. This is where you will set the rules for how database entries will be visually represented based on the conditions you define. Proceed by clicking on New Color Setting. This option will enable you to create a new rule for conditional formatting, allowing for customized visual cues. At this point, click on Priority to define the criteria for your conditional formatting. This selection will help you categorize your entries based on their urgency or importance. Next, select Is Not Empty to set the condition that will trigger the formatting. This option will apply the visual change to any entries that contain data. Following that, click on Is to create a specific condition. This will allow you to define more precise criteria for the entries that will be affected. Now click on Select to choose the specific condition you want to apply. This action will lead you to a drop-down menu with various options. Afterward, click on High to specify the priority level that will activate the conditional formatting. This selection indicates which entries will receive the designated formatting. Next, click on Match option to finalize the criteria for your conditional formatting. This step will confirm the conditions you have set. If you wish to change the color associated with your condition, click on Choose Color if necessary. This option allows you to customize the appearance of your entries based on their status. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.